have this 400-gram propane torch, and there's this attachment. It's called a backyard torch. But anyway, today I am torching my feeder. Why? Because over time, moisture buildup, you know, if it gets rained on for whatever reason, will start to collect mold spores, and you don't want that. The other thing I'm gonna do is these feeders, for whatever reason, don't come with holes in it, which they really should. All right, I didn't film the drilling, but this is what I meant. So I just spaced them out as evenly as possible. This is now dry, hopefully mold free. It's gonna drain better. I'll just reassemble it, fill it up, and the birds will be happy campers.